Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Once again, I am here with a very interesting business plan which will help you to increase your earnings day by day. Name of the plan is JSB Technology Private Limited and its website is app.jsb.com, where you can visit for each and every details of the company. This company brings you a very good opportunity to fulfill everything you have dreamt of. Mission and vision of the company is very strong, which will help you to achieve your success and a very strong financial life. Talking about the services of the company, very soon a web series called Akhanda is going to be released on OTT platform. Joining amount in the company is only 1000 rupees, after which your ID will be activated and you are eligible for each and every type of income provided by the company. Also, you receive a shopping voucher of 1000 rupees which can be further used. After your ID is activated, you will receive application users benefit, that is rupees 20 per day till 150 days. And for the renewal of this income, you have to top up your ID with 1000 rupees. Company also gives you instant income till 12 levels. In the first level, your income is 50 rupees per ID. In the second level, your income is 25 rupees per ID. In the third level, you receive 10 rupees income for each and every member in your team. From level 4 to level 12, you will receive 5 rupees per member for each and every joining in your team. Now for example, let's understand if our team works on 5 into 5 matrix. That means in the level 1 we have 5 members, then income per member will be 50 rupees. That means our total income will be 250 rupees. In the second level we have 25 members, then income per member will be 25 rupees. That means total income will be of 625 rupees. In the third level, total number of members will be 125 and you will receive income 10 rupees per member. That means your total income will be 1250 rupees. In the fourth level, we have 625 members. Per member, you will get 5 rupees each and total income will be of 3125 rupees. In the fifth level, when your team is of 3125 members and you receive the income of 5 rupees per member, then your total income will be of 15,625 rupees. This way, the cycle goes on and your team starts to grow, and the matrix of the team is 5 into 5 and you will receive the earning of 5 rupees per member as income, and your total earnings will be in lakhs and crores. So guys, you can think, if your team works only on 5 into 5 matrix, then your earning will be in crores. So when you will refer more and more people in your team, then what your earnings will be. Company also gives you level bonus till 7 levels till 150 days. Here your teams work on 15 into 15 matrix. And 15 direct members is very compulsory for this level bonus. In level 1, when your direct joining is 1 and referral team is of 15 members, you receive 1 rupees per member and daily income is of 15 rupees. Monthly income is of 450 rupees. In level 2, direct joining is 2, referral team is of 225 members. Per member you receive 2 rupees, daily income is of 450 rupees and monthly income is of 13,500 rupees. In level 3, direct joining is 4, referral team is of 3,375 members. Per member you receive 3 rupees, daily income is of 10,000 rupees and monthly income is of 3 lakh rupees. In the fourth level, direct joining is of 6 members, referral team is of 50,000 approx. For per member, you receive 4 rupees each, daily income is of 2 lakh rupees and monthly income is of 60 lakh rupees. In the level 5, direct joining is 9, referral team is of 7.5 lakh. For per member, you receive 5 rupees, daily income is of 37.5 lakh rupees and monthly income is of 11.25 crore rupees. In the 6th level, direct joining is 12, referral team is of 1.13 crore. For each member, you receive 6 rupees, daily income is of 6.78 crore and monthly income is of 203.4 crore rupees. Lastly, talking about the 7th level, direct joining is of 15 members, referral team is of 17 crore, per member you receive 7 rupees each, daily income is of 190 crore rupees and monthly income is of 3,570 crore rupees. Company is giving you a very good opportunity to fulfill all your dreams and become financially strong. For renewal of this income, you have to kindly top up with 1000 rupees. Company is also giving you various kind of rewards and awards. On fulfillment of second level, that means 225 members in second level, you receive laptop as reward. On fulfillment of third level, that means 3375 members in third level, you receive Royal Enfield as reward. On fulfillment of fourth level, that means 50,000 members in fourth level, you receive Desire car as reward. On fulfillment of fifth level, that means 7.5 lakh members in fifth level, you receive Fortuner car as reward. On fulfillment of sixth level, that means 1.13 crore members in sixth level, you receive an Audi card as reward. And on fulfillment of seventh level, that means 17 crore members in seventh level, you receive a bungalow and a Jaguar car as reward. Company is giving you a very good opportunity, guys. You should join the company as soon as possible without wasting much time. Now let's talk about the terms and conditions of the company. Those are very simple. Registration is totally free. Daily self income on your ID is still 150 days. Only one ID is allowed on one mobile number and one KIC. Daily closing and daily report. Minimum withdrawal is of 200 rupees. Daily withdrawal with instant payment facility. Deduction of 5% TDS and 10% admin and transaction charge. Guys, this company is giving you a very good opportunity to fulfill all your dreams that you have dreamt of. So join the company as soon as possible and also like the video.